the feeling of walking on a stage to start a concert. I'm always nervous beforehand. And you walk on the stage and you hear the applause, hopefully, from the audience. And when you start performing, luckily the nerves vanish. There's nothing quite like it, really. And all this experience goes back to my time at university in Cardiff. My name is Michael Bell, and I am the conductor of the Cardiff Philharmonic Orchestra. Well, originally I'm from Neath, which is just west of here, about 30 miles. That was my hometown. And we had a very strong music tradition in our school. And I came here to look around, and I didn't look at anywhere else, really. I came to Cardiff. Music is my life, really. I don't earn a living from it. I have a day job, which I've worked for 37 years, but all my spare time is taken up with music. I'm so lucky. I founded Cardiff Philharmonic Orchestra back in 1982. We're still going. With the orchestra, we've been to Paris, we've performed there, we've been to Switzerland. Tremendous experiences which wouldn't have happened had I not really come here to Cardiff to study. So I decided, after a considerable amount of thought, that I wanted to give something back to Cardiff University for all the time I had there and the time since I benefited from the university. Of course, when I was a student here, we had grants, so we didn't have loans at that time then. It's that long ago. And I felt I wanted to do something to help students these days, perhaps who aren't so fortunate that I was to have a grant. Would I encourage others to leave a legacy? Well, yes, I certainly would. The process was remarkably smooth and easy. I arranged a meeting with a lady from the university, and we talked over the possibilities. And the more I learned about how the legacy would benefit others, the more I knew I was doing the right thing. And so I would certainly encourage others to do the same as I am. In the end, I suppose, I hope my legacy will give young people the same opportunities that I've had when I was a student. It'd be wonderful to think that anyone who benefited from the legacy would then perhaps come and join the orchestra at some point or other and play with us, and we can see the benefits of that legacy as it benefits generations and students ahead.